Hi everyone! So I had a little dandelion left over and some resin. I wanted to try something fun. This is a toy for my dog and it was broken and I thought why not use it to pour some resin in. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it out without breaking it. I don't think so. So let me get a little blade. Always when using knives, be careful. Only let adults use it, please. I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna cut from away from me and trying to not get into the resin. Pretty well in there. So I know the inside of this one isn't clear or isn't really shiny. You can see it has a little bit of a texture, but I thought it would make it look like an ice cube. Wow, it really does look like ice. It's all hazy, and that's because of the texture of the inside of my little mold. So I'm going to try and sand it a little bit smoother, add a coat of resin, and I'll show you the finished result. So it's the next day and my resin is dry. I think it worked. It's looking super cool, nice and shiny. And now you can see everything, and it looks like the ice ball I wanted. So I'm just gonna pull it off the lid. And the only thing I need to do is trim it. So let me just do that. So I put a little light under it so you can see. It's really hard to get it correctly on camera because it's super shiny. If you hold it in the light, the camera doesn't want to focus. It's a perfect night light. So here's it up close. I love the shimmer in the bottom. So I think this experiment worked out pretty good. For it just being a dog toy and some resin, it really came out looking like a melting ball of ice. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!